All right, this artifact goes with number 18, Design Digital Environment, and you can see here that this is a Canvas course on getting started with Canvas. It's set up as a massive open online course, and you can see we've got the karate kicking panda bear up here, and we set this up as a karate, kind of like the belt system with karate. You start as a white belt, and as you progress through the course and go through each of the modules, you end up as a black belt. So let's take a look at the modules and see how the course is set up. So you can see that there's a module overview and what they're going to get started with and the things that they're going to be able to do by the end of the module. So kind of your learning objectives. And then it's set up with some pages. What is Canvas? There's video included. And then kind of a case study on what Canvas looks like in the state of Utah now. And this continues to go on. We won't go through all of this. But at the end of each module, there is a reflection where they would talk about how they plan on using whatever the module is, the topic of the module, in their own course. And this continues to go on and on as they go through this. The nice thing is we set this up so that anybody could access this at any time and go through the modules and work through the material that's in here. And also, they'll have access to all of the resources. So for instance, as they go through this, there's this whole page on creating assignments that has some screenshot and some tips and ideas on how to use this. We want them to be able to access this after they're done with the course as well. Okay, the next piece, next artifact or standard this is going to go with is number 20, which is manage the use of technology in a non-traditional classroom setting. So this is a massive open online course. It is set up so that our students are teachers so that they can move through this at their own pace, at their own time, and get the material that they need. There's tons of resources here for them. And then in the end, what they're doing is they are creating a Canvas course that they turn in. And then they can get credit for this course with lane change credit as well as relicensure points. So definitely non-traditional in that, we're not in person. This is done asynchronously online. And then the other one that this is going to go with is number 21, which is create opportunities for students to use a design process. So the whole course is basically set up to help students begin to think about how they would design their own Canvas course. I mean, you can see here we've got 6 reasons to use modules. We've got all sorts of help on how to build the course. And then in the end, what they do is they come to this last reflection, and it says, based on assessment data from Canvas, the #1 complaint that users experience is that courses have too many options. There's no set way to navigate the course. Using design thinking principles, you'll first define the problem, then ideate solutions for the problem. You'll then design a homepage and navigation menu that you can prototype and test with students. And so what they will do is they will take a screenshot of their homepage and navigation menu and post that, and then as well as any feedback that they get from students. And so we thought it was important that in addition to the final assignment that they turn in with the Canvas course that includes a rubric, where it has a screencast and they explain their navigation menu and they explain their homepage, we wanted to give them some help with that using design principles. And so that's in the course as well. There you go.